So you're creating something like a documentary film for your class and you don't want to be in it yourself and you haven't got anyone else that you can interview for your documentary. What do you do? What do you do? Well, here's an idea. You can animate something. But sir, that takes so long, it's hard to animate. Well, here's a simple animation technique that's pretty easy to do. I've created a few examples, and if you stick around, I'll show you how I did it.
I was told that after my life of being a milk carton that I'd get to become something else, like a cardboard box or I don't know. You know, it would be nice. I'd like to travel. I heard of some cartons getting turned into some sort of box that they get packed up and put on a plane and see the world. I'd love to see the world, you know, in my next life. I don't want to stay a milk carton. Milk cartons are boring. We just sit around the fridge and you've got awful milk inside of us. It's pretty smelly, especially if we get left out on the bench. But you know what? I definitely believe in recycling. I'm a Hindu. I'm into reincarnation, so I'm a firm believer in that. You know, some of my other carton friends, they're definitely atheists because they don't believe in reincarnating into something different after they are finished in this life. They believe that they just end up in landfill. But I've heard of it actually. I've heard of some boxes or some cartons getting put in landfill. I'm not sure why. I think it might be because people are putting them in the wrong rubbish bin. I'm not sure why it is. I certainly don't want that to happen to me. Look, I'm sorry for rambling, but yeah, I'm just really concerned to hear that there's some milk cartons that don't make it to the next life. They end up in a hole in the ground somewhere. I certainly do not want that for me or for my children. Yeah, I've got 3 other kids. They're little oak milk cartons. They're doing well, but you know, I certainly want the best for them. I certainly hope that they can become something else later in life, like reach a higher state of existence. I think the humans call it recycling. I think that's what it is. So yeah, I'm all for it.
All I used was 2 slides in a Google Slides or PowerPoint presentation. Took a photo, put this little thing together, and then had 1 slide with an open mouth, 1 slide with a closed mouth. Did a short screen recording of the 2 slides, just jumping between the 2, using the arrows on the keyboard to jump between the 2 slides. So put the screen recording of the 2 slides into iMovie, did a little voiceover recording, did my best to match it up with the mouth open and mouth closed with a little bit of editing, and I think it turned out pretty good. And here's another example.
Hello, I am President Obama. Well, I used to be president, but now I'm just Obama. Ha! What?
And here's another example. So, tell me, it's sort of like being, well, the thinnest person in the world.
It's alright.
You enjoying school?
School's okay, I guess.
Had any dramas since you've been here?
Whenever I turn sideways, the teacher can't see me. And I've been marked absent a few times.
And what's your favourite subject?
Well, I don't like English. There's so much writing to do. The other students keep thinking on paper, and they want to write on me.
Thanks for your time.